Welcome back to John Kleis Cardio. My name is Max and today I'm sat in a 2014 Kia Ceed, and this vehicle has come in for us to upgrade the head unit so a customer can benefit from nice features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or wirelessly connecting to his telephone. He also wanted a bigger screen, so if I spin the camera around I can show you what our solution looks like. Here is the Pioneer Evo 98 DAB. As you can see, Apple CarPlay is all hooked up to my phone. This car had steering wheel controls as standard, which we've kept working with the new stereo, and also it comes with a reverse camera. So when you pop it in reverse, this is the factory reverse camera which we have retained, and when you come out of reverse it'll just go back to your Apple CarPlay. So nice and easy to use, very simple. So the head unit, Apple CarPlay, works just like as it does in any other vehicle if you are familiar with it. However, for those that aren't, Apple CarPlay is aimed at giving you a nice way of using your phone for music, maps, messaging, a much nicer way of just generally using your phone. Around the system, you've got very recognisable apps. Generally, most people are using it for Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze. Your messages will be read out to you while you're driving. You can use your voice to reply. Got your contacts, your favourites, recents, all of that good stuff that you might need while driving. You can get DAB radio apps if you want to be able to play DAB. We have actually installed a DAB antenna in this car, which is just on the side there. DAB reception isn't perfect everywhere, so sometimes having the internet radio as a backup is a good option. I use Tidal for my music. Other people might use Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Deezer. They're also compatible with Apple CarPlay. It's a much nicer way of just using your music and choosing songs and stuff like that. So get a bit of album artwork, and you can go back to your home page and you can have a bit of a split screen, skip the tracks there, or obviously from the steering wheel down here, and you have your navigation on the right hand side. That's Apple CarPlay. I won't bore you with too much more of that. You've got volume controls on the side of this head unit. This is like a home button on the side which takes you to the Pioneer home screen. On this home screen you can access the Apple CarPlay or the DAB radio. The DAB radio will play like so. Swing this list over if you want to remind yourself what's saved down those 6 presets, or you got another 6, 12, 18 in total presets if you have got a lot of radio stations you like to listen to. That is your radio, and you can use this little square button here to flick back to your Apple CarPlay, so you can have your DAB radio playing while you got your Apple Maps running, for example. But that probably is pretty much about it for this video. I'm going to wrap it up there. My name's Max. Thanks for watching this video. Shout out to Paige, who is next to me, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.